day and welcome to the Weather Centre this Saturday. The mercury is rising rapidly over the western parts of South Africa, with the afternoon temperatures forecast to reach the mid to upper 30s. But along the east coast, the coastal low pressure system will bring breezy, cool and even cloudy conditions later on, while thunderstorms are likely along the eastern escarpment as well as the interior of KwaZulu-Natal. Here's our rainfall probability map for today. Very isolated thunderstorms in Gauteng, the Free State and the eastern parts of the Northern Cape, but there's a 40% chance of storms today over the northeastern parts of the Eastern Cape, the interior of KZN, as well as the Highveld in Mpumalanga. It's going to be very hot in the west, up to 37 in Uppington, 35 degrees forecast for Kimberley, Springbok and Vredendal. Cape Town with a high of 28. Much cooler though in the Eastern Cape with 25 degrees in Bishu and East London, 27 in Durban today, Pretoria reaching a high of 30 degrees and Johannesburg and Polokwane both at 28. Now let's take a look at the wind forecast for this afternoon. It's going to be breezy once again along the Northern Cape coastline, speeds up to 35 kilometers per hour with an open ocean swell of 2.5 meters. Very windy conditions likely in False Bay today. Average wind speeds of 45 kilometers per hour later on. There's an open ocean swell of 2.5 meters with a southwesterly direction and fresh winds likely along the Overberg coast as well. For the southern coastline, we're expecting an onshore flow at first. This will be associated with some low cloud cover and this can burn off towards the afternoon. An open ocean swell of 2.5 meters while low tide is expected just before 12:30. For the east coast, as the coastal low pressure moves through, we're expecting fresh southwesterlies, wind speeds up to 25 kilometers per hour in Durban with an open ocean swell of 1.5 meters. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy the rest of the day.
News that moves. eNCA.com